So Oisle recently sent me this MP282 power bank, which is a sleek 5900 milliamp hour portable charger that is a good option for anybody with an iPhone that doesn't support MagSafe. But this charger will also work on MagSafe iPhones as well. But if MagSafe is the only option for you, Oisle has you covered as well. But in this video, I'll be taking a closer look at this Oisle MP282 5900 milliamp hour power bank. So stick around. Let's talk about this for a second.
Want to see some love? It's Love Day. I'm showing people love out here on the court.
What's going on YouTube? Nicholas here with Tech Love TV, where we don't discriminate. We believe all tech deserves some love. So this Oisle power bank comes in a small compact box. On the inside, you'll find the power bank itself, a USB Type-A to lightning cable, and if you had the USB Type-C version, you will have a USB Type-A to USB Type-C charging cable in that one. Extra adhesive strips and a user manual. So this power bank right here is also available in 5 different colors. You have it in a black, a white, a red, a pink, and this blue color right here. So you can also pick this power bank up on Amazon for around $40, and I'll leave that link in the description down below. So this Oisle power bank right here has a premium and sturdy feel to it. It is made of high quality materials and has a soft finish that provides a comfortable grip. It is slim and lightweight, making it an easy carry around in your pocket or bag. Okay, so one thing that I just found out is that the LED light on the back of this Oisle battery pack also doubles as an on and off switch. And as you can tell, this version right here is made for the iPhone with your lightning connector right here. But like I said earlier, they also make a Type-C version for the rest of the world. And also, like I previously stated, the battery capacity on here is 5900 milliamp hours, which can charge up an iPhone 14 Pro Max around 1.5 times. Now this battery pack right here only works with cell phone cases that are less than 1 millimeter thick. This is a pretty thin case. I mean, I don't think it maybe compares with like a Lulator case or one of the thin Moment cases. So I will have to take this phone out of the case for this to work just like this. And like I said, that is something that I really do not like. And like I was saying earlier, on the backside right here is where you get your LED battery level indicator. When it comes to charging, this Oisle power bank is equipped with the lightning port, which is right here, which allows you to charge the power bank. This also provides a pass-through charging, so you can use this charger while it's charging and charge your iPhone all at the same time. So what I mean by that, if I do take this charging cable right here, I can plug this in to this charger and it starts charging. Now I can go ahead and plug this into my iPhone, and my iPhone is charging, and also this battery pack is still charging. So that's what I mean when I'm talking about pass-through charging. Lastly, this power bank right here will charge the iPhone 14 Pro Max up in a little over an hour. But the point is to give you that extra juice for your phone whenever you need it. Overall, this Oisle MP282 power bank is a good option for those who are always on the go, need to keep their device charged, and don't want to be bothered with cables. But is this version for me? Not so much, because I do use MagSafe, and if you're in that same boat, Oisle still has you covered with their MagSafe option. And I do not have their MagSafe option, but it does look similar in size to this MagSafe option right here, and what it will do is just magnetize on the back of your mobile device just like this. And you've probably seen this before. And that's all I got for you people. That is my full unboxing and review of this Oisle MP282 power bank. As always, if this is your first time here, or if you found any value in this video whatsoever, please smash that subscribe button down below, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notifications when I drop my next tech video. As always, thanks for stopping by the Tech Love channel. My name is Nicholas, and I'm out. Peace.